Hello guys, very good morning one and all. Welcome to PVR Info. This is Ram. In previous session we discussed about Rich Dad Poor Dad, right? It was written by Robert V. Kiyosaki and some of the successful factors like how to get success in our life, everything we discussed, right? Now today I would like to come up with a new topic, that is new story, that is got how to win friends and influence people. How to win friends, how to win friends and influence people. This was written by Dale Carnegie in 1937, right? Why he wrote this book means, according to this survey, according to worldwide survey, 15% people are only getting success with their technical skills. 85% people are getting success their own skills, like life skills, personality development and all, that is HR skills if you take. Okay, he explained the factors with different good examples. Now let me give you good examples with his own experiences, right? Let me start with one point here. First, one pilot was there. Okay, one pilot was there. Then he just went to one flight show, like a craft show, and he came back to land. Okay, before 300 feet, okay, he is going to land the flight, means after 300 feet, okay, the two engines got failed. At that time, because of his intelligence, he just take it in a successful way and he landed over on earth, successfully landed. Then after that, at that time he found that, because they have just changed the oil, engine oil, right? Gasoline oil they have to use, but instead of that they use some different oil. So that's why he just thought about the mechanic did a mistake here. Then the mechanic found that, okay, I did a mistake because I don't know what will happen, like that he just felt. Now he just came to mechanic, the pilot came to meet mechanic, and he just at this time, if any situation is there, he must have scolded him, we thought, but he did not scold or anything. He just said that, okay, I have one more flight I have one more flight, you have to just make it in a proper way, like that. He just made up his mind and he gave it to this. Tomorrow I'll give you one more flight, you have to do this, because he realized his mistake. He said that, sorry sir, it was my mistake, like that he realized. So that he did not say anything and he gave the one more flight for repair, right? So this is the thing, should not criticize others, he want to say. Should not criticize others. This is the first rule. He started with this. Next one, now this Dale Carnegie has steel company, but here one main point is, he doesn't know about steel, but he know how to deal the people. Understand my point? He doesn't know about steel anything, but he knows how to deal with the people. Then he started the company. He appointed Schwab as his manager for the steel company. Why did he appoint this person? He is more intelligent, this person, and he can deal with the people very nice way. So that is the very important thing he thought about. Dale Schwab we have to put interest, like make interest towards the job. That is important, like that he felt. Here we have to make the people interest towards the job. That is the second rule, make interest. Next one, third one is, now one day Dale Carnegie just went to take one rent building. one hotel he rent for just his lectures. At that time, okay, the tickets got filled, it's totally houseful. Okay, let me give you one example. Like he took one theater, okay, he took one theater for his lectures, and he just bought and he just purchased his tickets and everything, it got filled. Then after that, this hotel owners or theater owners, they have sent a post to Dale Carnegie. Then they said that you have to pay 300%, like you have to pay extra charge for this. He got the post because already it is over, tickets got filled. Because of this plan, he has just made in a some plan, like he has to get the money according to that rent also. But here suddenly, after whenever the tickets got filled, at that time he got a post from the owners of the building. They said that you have to pay 300% or 3%, you have to increase more, you have to pay extra charge. Then he just met with the management and he said, okay, as you said, that is correct, sir, everybody wants to improve their profit and everything, that is correct. At that time again he said that, sir, let me tell you what are the advantages and disadvantages when I leave from this. Okay, because one advantage means, he said that, sir, you have one empty room, like you are not using anything, that room you changed into convention hall and you gave me for rent, that is your advantage, you are using one room, fine. Here disadvantages are, I cannot pay the bill, means I cannot pay this much amount, so that's why you are losing your customer. Okay, that is first disadvantage. Second one is, because of me, lot of people are coming to your hotel and they are just staying here because of me, because regularly if you get, you cannot get this many people and you have to give ads also because of this. But without adding, giving advertisements also, you are getting lot of people through me or because of myself. And every person, if you take 5,000 also, you can get more profit because of this. So you have to just understand about this. He just said the points and he left. Then again, next day he got again one post. They said you have to pay only 5% extra, like 50 like that, you have to pay 5% extra, like that. He got one more post. Means here he said main important point is, always you have to think in other point of view, means you have to make them eager, make an eager of other people. He said this point. Okay, and one more fourth point is, if you are genuinely, if you are interested in genuinely, if you behave, then automatically we can grab their attention. Means Dale Carnegie used to just post, means every, okay, he took some calendar, he used to send every friends of us, okay, lot of friends are there to him, so he used to send lot of every friend's birthday, when he used to just send an invitation or something, wishes card, something he used to send everyone. So that is the thing, they understood that, okay, Dale Carnegie, he is the person always wishes us, like that they feel. If you are going with genuine behavior, automatically we can get more interest towards that. Okay, this is also one more point. Next one, you have to appreciate. Appreciation is very, very important. Appreciation is very important. Means if you appreciate heartfully, then automatically we will get good behavior. Means you can they can understand us very well. Means whenever you have a great food, then automatically who cooked the food, you have to appreciate from your bottom of your heart. So that is the thing, we have to do this. Okay, and next point, one day Dale Carnegie went to meet his, okay, how to influence, let me give you here, how to make conversational thought, means how to become a good conversationalist. Okay, one day one company people, like, okay, like I am here, now I am a I'm a good customer of Vodafone, for example, if you take. Now, one day I got more irritation because I'm getting a lot of problems with Vodafone or any networking problem, and signals also not there, or difficult problems are going on. So I fed up with that network and everything. So I got realized, and I called lot of times to the customer cares, and I met with a lot of people. They said that they are trying to arguing with me. So at that time, company people, they have some sent, means I have filed a case against that company and everything, like socialist. Also I went to some different agendas, and I have put on online also about social media. Also I have done negative publicity about the network and everything. So just they have sent a main one of the persons, like to meet me. So the person came and just he was okay, whatever I said, means I was getting very angry, and I just talked to him like I was scolding him. At the time he was just simply okay sir, fine sir, you are right sir, like that. He was just trying to convincing with me, means he is not able to arguing or something. He was just trying to supporting me. Then automatically he met me 4 times. That 4 times also, I just 3 times I have just scolded him lot about the company and about this all that all and everything. Now 4th time I became a friend to him, means I just said about lot of points about that, and after that I was very cool, and I just made up my mind, and I paid the bill and everything. So they got very happy. Means I withdraw my case also, I put the negative publicity, I take it back also, everything I did it. So that's why they felt very happy. Means here one main point is, first we have to support to others, then automatically they can understand us. Whenever one person is talking about negative or positive, if you support others, automatically you will get success. Support others is very, very important thing here. Okay, and next main important point is, very, very important point here. Dale Carnegie, one day, okay, he started steel companies, right? I told you, there he got some problem, like he was trying to take one contract in somewhere else, America. If you take an example, America, he just trying to take that track contract, okay, steel tracks. At that time he was not able to getting more clients or something. So at that time, just Edgar named one person is there. He is the person at that location, or in that location, very popular person and famous person. Just use his mind. Okay, and let me tell you with one more example. When Dale Carnegie was like a child, like in his childhood, he had just one rabbit. Okay, one rabbit, and it has some just children also. At that time, some people are there, like his friends. He said to the people or children, you have to just give some food or trade some food for that children, then I will put your names to them, he said. So they felt very happy, and they used to take a lot of things, and they used to bring a lot of things for that. So he just convinced his mind, and he just transferred that, and he just made up his mind, and he used the technique in this location, means in this situation. Dale Carnegie, he just talked to Edgar, like a famous person. He just talked to him, and if we start this steel business and everything, he started with his name, Edgar Steel Companies Private Limited, like that he has started the name. So automatically clients, whoever is there, they started, and they came, and they bought lot of projects and everything they took over. So then he realized, okay, people are giving more importance to their names. And one more point here is, same recently one thing happened in Dale Carnegie's life, means one person is there. Okay, in America only, same bidding was going on bidding, online bidding or something for one contract. At that time he was trying to get that contract also. Pullman also was trying to get the contract. So both were in a lot of different struggles and everything. They were trying to lose their economy also for that, because that is a prestigious one. right? So that they want to just get this project. At that time, he just trying to talk to Pullman directly. Then he just talked to Pullman. He was trying to convince him. Means Pullman, what is this? Why we are doing? Both are doing like this. Why can't we start? We both together start this business. He just started. Hey, what are you saying? Pullman said, what are you saying? Why are you doing like this? And what will be the company name? He asked Carnegie. And Carnegie said, of course, Pullman's Steel Companies Limited, he said. Then he felt very happy, like Pullman felt very happy. That is a psychological factor. Okay, if you put our name, then automatically we will get happy. That is the thing. Psychologically he made up his mind and he used that. Now he is doing both. So these are the lot of things are there. He just explained in a different way. And one more main point here, if you are happy, that you keep smiling should be very important, because once you are smiling, if you are not able to smile also, not getting smile also, just force, you have to force and you have to smile, means you have to force, try to smile. Okay, this is very important. And next one, otherwise you have to act like smiling, means be happy. You have to forcefully, you have to be happy, otherwise you have to be, try to act as happy, automatically you will be keep smiling, right? Next one important point here, one more, last but not the least. Okay, one day Dale Carnegie went to post office. He just, the postman or inside the post counter, he was getting irritating more, not about himself, just generally he is like irritating person, like since morning to evening lot of people are coming and he is fed up with his work, so he got more irritation. So he just trying to talk to him like interesting manner, means, wow sir, you look very handsome, like you have good hairstyle and everything. So whenever he said that, then automatically the postman, he just look into his eyes and he said that, no sir, no, I had before when I was like young, it was very nice sir, now it is not there, like that he said. No sir, age comes and going, but you are looking handsome, like that he just started something. So this is the conversation. If we make sense of humor, if you used to make them interesting words, automatically they will be happy and they will be connecting to you. These are the very important points in Dale Carnegie's life. Like this is also like autobiography. He just shared his experiences. Lot of experiences are there. Okay, some of them I just made you understand. Okay, I'll make you understand few more in the further session. Okay, if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel PVR Info. Thank you.